Imagine a car completely made out of wooden parts. A car that only uses gravity as fuel. A car without hydraulic braking system. Now, imagine a competition of these cars, racing without pit stops. A one-way downhill circuit more than 1.5 kilometers long where these cars can reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. This is the Formulaz race that happens in Rize. Rize is located in the northeastern part of Turkey along the coast of the Black Sea. It is famous for its unique geography, lush green landscape, and being the largest tea producing region in the country, hence being popularly described as Turkey's tea capital. A good way to start your activities in Rize is by eating the region's traditional breakfast. This is muhlama. It is prepared by mixing water, butter, cheese, and corn flour. It is served with bread and tea. Let's eat this. Besides enjoying the beautiful landscapes and the delicious food and tea that Rize has to offer, I have to participate in the race. But for me to do that, I need a car. To get a car, I need a carpenter. And that's why we have TRT Usta.
Haydi JJ.
Yeah.
Gel da. Araba tahta arabasını çakacağız. Geç kaldı.
Tamam, tamam. Hadi gidelim.
Kanalıma hoş geldin. Bugün Formulaz tahta arabasını çakmak için burada bulunuyoruz. Oldu mu? Kanal girişim tamam mı?
Ya hocam ben aslında sizden öğrenmeye geldim yani.
Siz mi geldiniz?
Aynen.
Geciktin.
Tahta arıyordum.
Tahta mı arıyordun ama 5 dakikadır seni bekliyorum ama neyse bu kere seni affediyorum. Orta noktasını şöyle çiziyoruz.
This is Turan's childhood home. He has been a carpenter for over 4 decades, which he started as his elder brother's apprentice in his early teenage years. He has attended the Formulaz competition 3 times and has won the design award all 3 times in a row. This year, he will be attending again and is hoping to win the award for the 4th time. These cars take days to make, and him teaching me at the same time is slowing him down. So we will let him do his magic and see the car when it is fully complete. Today is the big day and I'm very excited because TRT Usta finished the car and it's time for me to see it. Time for me to race. Hello TRT Usta.
Hoş geldin CC. Sağ ol.
Hoş bulduk.
Sen nasılsın?
Arabam bu değil mi?
Hangisi?
Bu değil mi?
Yok o benim aracım ya.
O zaman budur.
Bu değil dur.
Arabam nerede o zaman?
Belli değil bunlar bana ait.
Öyle mi? Araba çok güzel oldu yalnız.
Nasıl beğendin mi?
Çok beğendim.
Senin arabana sıra gelecek. Önce arabanın bir özellikleri sana anlatayım.
Tamam.
Yarış öncesi araç muayeneden geçmek istediğim zaman boy 170 cm, en 70 cm, şu teker lastiklerinin eni 25 cm, sadece çivi ve eski zaman tahtalardan oluşacak. Metal aksam kullanılmıyor. O şekilde starttan geçebiliyorsun. Size de bir sürprizim var.
Tamam. Arabam nerede?
Araban yok, sürprizim var. Gel götüreyim senin sürprizine. Yok öyle hemen olmaz. Sürprizi seviyor musun?
Seviyorum bayağı.
Aracı seviyor musun?
Aracı seviyorum.
Tornagay'ı seviyor musun?
Evet, Tornagay'ı da seviyorum.
O zaman açıyorum. Açtım.
This is so cool. And you added some stuff like a speedometer. We also have our own TRT logo there.
Süper.
Super. So, before we do the actual race, we're going to do a few practice runs because this is my very first time. I don't expect myself to get into the race having never sat on one of these cars. So, Turan, are you ready? Haydi.
Hadi.
Let's go. Okay. He beat me with a few centimeters, But for me, having done this for the first time, this is very, very good performance. I'm very excited. It's actually very intense, more intense than I thought. But I am very ready for the race. So let's go and do it. This is the 14th traditional Red Bull Formulaz Wooden Car Festival. 45 male and 15 female participants have registered to compete. During the registration, your car is inspected to make sure it follows all the rules and regulations. Participants are organized into groups of 5, with the top 2 advancing. Winners continue through rounds until our final 5 compete for first place. I am seated with a 3-time Formulaz champion, Fatih Çukur. Let's find out from him what he thinks about today's race, whether he's going to win, and how this whole thing started for him.
Ben dedemden öğrendim. Burada doğdum. Yani çok fazla oyun aktivitemiz yoktu. Dedem bize bunu öğrettikten sonra tek oyun aktivitemiz bu diyebilirim. Sürekli ben araba yapardım. Nasıl daha hızlı gider, nasıl daha iyi gider. Çocuklukta öğrendim. Bu arabaların en önemli özelliği rot balans ayarıdır. Yani belli bir hıza ulaştıktan sonra daha hızlı gidebilmen için arabanın tam düz olması lazım. Milimetrik bir ayar olması lazım. Ve tabii ki buna %50 bir katkı diyebiliriz. Geri kalan %50'si de kişinin kendisi.
Şampiyondan taktik alalım. Son olmamak için ne yapmam lazım?
Özellikle yarışı bitirebilmek burada çok önemli. Virajlarda mümkün mertebe yavaş git. Düz yolda arabayı bırak, gidebildiği kadar hızlı gitsin. Evelallah yani birinci olursun diyemiyorum ama iyi bir derece alırsın.
If I finish the race, I am a winner. Because it's dangerous, but I'm still excited to do this. Let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Throughout the video, I've been wearing traditional clothing from this region, but for this race in particular, I had to wear these socks that are also traditional, and these shoes, and also protection for myself. I feel ready, I feel very excited, and I'm very curious of what kind of results I'm going to give. Let's go! Let's go! I came to the finish line and I'm number 5 out of 5. Yes, that can be disappointing for some, but for me, it is more than enough. Because for me, finishing the race was more important than anything else. I'm lost for words on how I can describe how I felt throughout the race. But this is awesome. And if anyone can get a chance to do this, you should. Woo! From an old-age tradition to a competition that brings people from across the country, this is Formulaz. I'm so happy to have participated, and I'm even happier that I was able to go from the beginning to the end of the circuit, this being my first race. This is Joel Moriasi from my Türkiye. See you in the next video.